All right guys, welcome back to the channel. So today my wife got a very nice fat nail on her tire, and we're gonna have to fix it because discount tire is about to close. I normally would take it there just for precautionary reasons, and obviously they take the tire out and patch it up, but they're about to close and I don't want to be that a-hole that shows up 5 minutes before they close. So here it is right here. This is our nail. Yes, look at that. It's still even hissing. You hear that? So yes, that's what we're dealing with. Now, like I said, normally I would take it to discount just for peace of mind, and we call it a day. But because they're about to close, I don't want to show up 5 minutes before they close. That really sucks. So normally you could use one of these right here, and it works just great. You take out a little aggression on your tire, and this right here cleans the hole that nail or screw, whatever, made, and basically it gets it ready. It's like a prep. And then I would take this right here with some of these plugs right here, and then you put a little rubber cement, which is this stuff here, and then you plug it up. Now the only reason I'm making this video is because I didn't know these things existed. This is a drill bit tire plug set for your drill that does exactly what those manual ones do right there with hard labor. It makes it easier. This is amazing. I didn't even know they existed, like I said. So normally I would hate to plug this tire up, but I'm actually kind of wondering how these things work. This is pretty cool. Now, a key note to all this is you should always somehow carry emergency equipment, like one of these battery packs, starter, jumper, air compressor things. It's awesome, and it does exactly what it's meant to do. But it's always good to have it if you're going on trips or anything like that. And what I always carry in mind is my little compressor, just in case, because you know the good thing about these elements is that you have plugs here, and then you have a plug in the front. So no matter which way you go, you could definitely use one of these little compressors, especially if you ever get in a bind like this, or if you're in a park or somewhere where there isn't a gas station or a convenience store or anything like that, to where you can plug up your tire. Now normally I usually carry these things in my elements, you know, the tire repair kit, the plug set, and the little compressor, because of that. And I always carry these manual ones because I don't ever have a drill in hand, but today we have a drill. So the fact that these things exist makes it really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this thing up, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so as you can see, the hole, the nail, the screw mate is exactly right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screw, and when I do that, the air is gonna come out, so I gotta be quick. So what I did is I brought my drill that has a quick insert right here, and basically you just push it out and it will do exactly what we need to do, so it'll be good. Then the other thing is obviously the plug that's gonna go in there. I'm gonna go ahead and prep it, so then the plug's already in there, or this little wormy thing, whatever the hell you call it, the plugs. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert it already. Now all the prep work, obviously I'm trying to do it because I don't want the air to leak out once I start messing with it, and I know that once I clean the hole, it's definitely going to come out really fast. So this will be really quick, and you got to be fast. So let's see if we can get it done quickly without too much of a mess. Now that's my plug. I'm going to open the rubber cement too, make the little hole. There it is. It's nice and gooey and nasty. Great. All right, let's go. Watch your eyes when you take this thing out, so be ready. Are you ready? Here we go. All right. Ooh, this thing's hard. Let's try it this one. There you go. Oh, it's in there. Yeah, look at that. That's a big screw. There it is right there. So we're gonna take the drill. And then we're gonna take it out. The air's coming out. Now we gotta plug it. Uh-oh, too much air loss. Here we go. You got to get it in deep. There it is. That's pretty sweet. It's actually a lot easier than I usually do it, because like I said, normally I'm fighting with it. Now, there's no guarantee that these plugs really work, but I've never really had any bad luck with them. So the only thing I could say is I trust them for a little bit, but I think if you're just trying to get out of a situation, they're really good. But I would definitely have it checked by a tire professional where they can put a plug inside. Now, I did lose a lot of air, so once again I'm gonna have to air it up, but there it is. It's plugged in. I don't hear anything, and like I said, this is a temporary fix and it does work. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the air on it and let's see how it goes from there. Now guys, once again, it's always good to carry these little emergency devices, just because you never know. It's better to be safe than sorry. The good thing is that my wife made it home, and when she got out the car, she heard the leaking, so that was pretty cool. So I don't remember how to use this, so let's see. Everything is set, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and then oh yeah, you have to do the PSI. I think on this one it's like 32, 34 or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I think you start it. So right now it says it has 10 PSI, and then we're gonna go ahead and hold on. That's 12 volts. I don't remember how to do it. So as you can see, there it goes. It'll drive it up. So it's pretty cool. Once you set it up, it'll know exactly where to stop and what it needs to do. So like I said guys, this is definitely something you want to have around. It's really good, just in case of an emergency. And it's always good to have it when you're out and about, even in the city or out in the country doing trips. You definitely want to have one of these. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's pretty dandy to have this tool, and once again, it does have an automatic stop where it'll kind of stop the air. And as far as this goes right now, this is pretty good. It's got about a 32 psi. Now remember, these plugs are probably a temporary fix. If you feel like the hole is more aggressive, maybe, you know, leave it on there for a couple days and then go get it fixed. These tires though, we're gonna replace them very soon. It's just because we're gonna do the gold wheels or the painted wheels. I'm not sure what color we're gonna do them yet. We're still deciding. And then we're gonna put some different tires. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'll probably just keep these as spares, or I might end up painting these as well. I don't know. But like I said, it was a quick little repair video. I was amazed by those little contraptions, the drill bit, what do you call them, plugs and tools. And it was pretty cool that they even have them. I didn't even know they existed, and that's the only reason I made the video, so it was pretty exciting. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, check out the online store. The link is in the YouTube channel, and I'll be uploading some new designs soon. Stay in your element, be cool.